Welcome to Easy Learning Tips. I am Mrs. Ramya Shankar. இன்னைக்கு நாம The Cambridge Ladies அப்படிங்கிற போயமோட ஹிண்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். வாங்க. Edward Estlin Cummings, poetோட full name. He was born on October 14, 1894. He studied Greek and Latin at Cambridge Latin High School. He completed his BA and MA in Das University, Harvard University. Early poems of Cummings were published in Harvard Monthly. நீங்க சம்மரியா படிக்கிறத விட இந்த மாதிரி ஃபில்லப்ஸ் ஃபார்ம்ல படிச்சீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் வைக்கிறதுக்கு மெமரி பவர் நல்லா இருக்கும். யூ கேன் ஈஸிலி ரீகால் இன் எக்ஸாம். Cummings went France and volunteered himself as an ambulance driver in World War I. Cummings and William Slater Brown were arrested by the French military on suspicion of espionage and undesirable activities. Their experience in prison camp was recounted in his The Enormous Room novel. Name the journal that published Cummings' poems. The Dial. இந்த ஜேர்னல்ல தான் T.S. எலியட்டோட ஃபேமஸான The Wasteland அப்படிங்கிற ஒர்க்கும் பப்ளிஷ் ஆயிருக்கு. Cummings was the second most widely read poet in the United States after Robert Frost. Cummings died of a stroke on September 3, 1962 at the age of 67. Cummings ஓட poetry and prose work நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So நம்மளுடைய Cambridge Ladies poem வந்து it's a sonnet. The sonnet The Cambridge Ladies was published without a title. இந்த போயம்க்கு டைட்டில் கிடையாது. இந்த போயமோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் The Cambridge Ladies who live in a furnished souls அப்படிங்கறத தான் எல்லா இடத்துலயும் ரெஃபர் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So இந்த போயம் எதுல வந்து எந்த வால்யூம் ஆஃப் போயட்ரியில வருதுன்னு பாருங்க. It comes in Cummings' first collection of poetry, Tulips and Chimneys. Name the two sections in Tulips and Chimneys. Tulips, Chimneys. Chimneys is divided into dash subsections. 3 subsections. அது என்னென்னு பாருங்க. Realities, unrealities, actualities. So ஒவ்வொரு டாபிக்கும் எதை பத்தி டீல் பண்ணுது அப்படிங்கறது உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கேன். நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. There are 17 sonnets in Chimneys section. Which is the first poem in Realities? The Cambridge Ladies. The Cambridge Ladies are representations of people who have money and distinguished class. These people are from Cambridge, Massachusetts. Where is Harvard University situated? Cambridge. Cummings' sonnet differs from Shakespearean sonnet and Petrarchan. Shakespearean sonnet is also known as English sonnets. Petrarchan sonnet is also known as Italian sonnet. So sonnet பத்திய நிறைய hint words நீங்க இங்க நோட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். The structure of English sonnet. 3 quatrains with rhyme scheme followed by rhyming couplet. Lines contain 12 syllables. Rhyme scheme பார்த்துக்கோங்க. English sonnet ஓட rhyme scheme. ABAB, CDCD, EFEF, GG. The structure of Italian sonnet. Poem divided into 2 sections, an octave and a sestet. Lines contain 11 syllables. Rhyme scheme ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. Cummings is associated with modernist free-form poetry. Cummings' work has idiosyncratic syntax. He preferred to write his name in the lower case. So capital letter use பண்ண மாட்டாரு. அவர் நேம் எழுதும்போது he prefers to write in lower case. Cummings alters parts of speech and makes nouns into verbs and verbs into nouns. He is an iconoclast. Iconoclast na என்னன்னு பாருங்க. One who breaks traditional rules and replaces his own in their place. In the poem Cambridge Ladies, the poet portrays a bunch of superficial society women. The blue sky is referred in poem as the blue lavender cornerless box. The Cambridge Ladies are shown to be a set of scandal mongers. The Cambridge Ladies believe in Christ and Henry Wadsworth Longfellow only because most people believe in them. So in the Longfellow full name வந்து பாருங்க Henry Wadsworth Longfellow யாரு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா he is an American poet and was a professor of Harvard. The souls of the Cambridge Ladies are unbeautiful. இந்த unbeautifulங்கிற வேர்டை வந்து காயின் பண்றது Cummings தான், which means impure. The luminous crescent which adorns the sky reminds them of sugar candy. While engaging in embroidery work, the ladies spend time on gossiping about Mrs. N and Professor D. The mention of a married woman, Mrs. N, and a Professor D shows the spread of infidelity and loose lifestyle in academic circles. The ladies are not sensitive to the beauties of nature. The scenes of nature are like artificial perfumes to them. So, them அப்படின்னா Cambridge Ladies. The ladies live in furnished souls. Furnished souls are the analogy of furnished rooms. Cambridge Ladies' daughters like them are unscented, shapeless and spirited. According to Cummings, the ladies lack individuality. ஒரு தனித்துவமே கிடையாது. Cummings satires academic community in this poem. Cambridge is the city part of Boston in which the Harvard University is situated. The ladies participate in social work because it is socially acceptable to do so. The poem Cambridge Ladies is in an octave and sestet form with rhyming scheme ABCD, DCBA, EE, FF, EE. The Cambridge ladies are unbeautiful and possess comfortable minds. The phrase delighted fingers emphasizes the shallowness of their commitment. Commitment means here garment knitting. By using the phrase is it Paul, Cummings satires the ladies' uncertainty about whom the knitting is for. Thank you. All the best.